Hello, Wharton students. Welcome to Introduction to Data Science. This is Basic NumPy, Part 1. We'll talk about NumPy and its key features. So what is NumPy? NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It is a package for high-performance computing and data analysis. NumPy is designed for efficiency, especially when working with large arrays of data. Array is a data structure that stores elements of the same type in blocks of memory. You can think of it as a list or a table with the same variable types. Like this picture, a locker with assigned numbers can be an array. The special array object in NumPy is called end array or n-dimensional array, abbreviation for an n-dimensional array, which is a data structure to handle large data sets. This is also memory efficient, meaning it takes less memory compared to other methods when storing data because it uses contiguous memory blocks. Lastly, fast math functions. NumPy performs operations on entire arrays without the need to write loops. Therefore, it can do rapid mathematical computations, which is beneficial when processing the large arrays of data. Discuss the key features of NumPy. As I mentioned earlier, n-dimensional array is the main data type used in NumPy. They can be one-dimensional, two-dimensional, or even multi-dimensional. But you have to keep in mind that all elements must be of the same type. NumPy has a wide range of operations and applications. We can use data analysis and statistics because NumPy can efficiently handle tables of data organized in rows and columns. You may have noticed that NumPy matrix, same as Excel file that stores data. You can perform operations like matrix multiplication, finding determinants, or solving systems of linear equations in fields like engineering, physics, and computer science. I'll show you the 4 ways of creating n-dimensional array with Python next time. Thanks for watching. See you soon.